morning students, Saira. Welcome back once again. How are you all? I hope you all are well and safe at your places. Children, let's start our today's class. Sit in Ardha Padmasana, both hands in a Gyan Mudra. Keep your back straight. 3 round Om chant. One round, Gayatri Mantra. Tatsaviturvarenyam bhargo devasya dhimahi dhiyo yo naha prachodayat. Rub your palm gently. Place it over your eye or your face.
Open your eyes, children. First we are going to do Meru Vakrasana. It helps to stretch the spine, losing the vertebrae, and very helpful in back pain, neck pain and problem like sciatica. It is very good asana to warm your body, to prepare your back for more difficult spinal twist asanas. So let's start Meru Vakrasana. First, sit in Dandasana. Straight your both leg out. Now place the right hand beside the body. Bend the left knee and place the foot beside the right. And raise your left hand up. Bring it near to the right hand towards the right side. Now twist completely towards the right. Your shoulders should be in a one line. Look back, keeping the spine upright and straight. Try to keep your spine straight. Look back, twist your upper body completely towards the right. And close your eyes. Hold this position for the few seconds with the normal breathe. Inhale and exhale. Now release your position. Bring your hands down, straight your leg. Now from the opposite side, place your left hand back. Bend your right knee and place it beside the left knee. And raise your right hand up, twist it towards the left and place near to the left hand. And twist completely towards the left. Keep your spine straight and upright. Hold this position for the few seconds with the normal breathe. Now slowly release your position. Bring your hands down straight your leg and relax here. Deep inhale and exhale. Relax. Children, practice this asana up to 5 times from both the sides. Children, we are going to do Ardha Uttasana and full Uttasana. Ardha Uttasana we have done in our previous class, and today we will do both. First Ardha Uttasana, then complete one. So sit in first Vajrasana. Move the knee apart and the ankles to the side of the buttock. Now from here, stand on your knee. Twist towards the right little bit and raise your right hand up. Take it back over the right heels. Place your palm and left hand stretch up. Bend your head little bit back and gaze at left hand. Now for the few seconds here, hold. After that, slowly release your position. Bring your hands down, both. Now from left side, raise your left hand up. Take it back over the left heel. Raise your right hand up and head little bit back and look at the right hand and hold this position here for the few seconds with the normal breathe. Now slowly exhale and release your position. Bring your hands down and deep inhale and exhale here for the few seconds and sit in Vajrasana and relax for the few seconds. After this, we are going to do Purna Uttanasana. So first relax your mind, your body. Again, stand on your knee. Make a gap between both the knees and thigh. Now raise your both arms together in front of the chest level. Now one by one, take your right hand first back over your right heels. Then take your left hand back over your left heel. Push your pelvic forward, keeping the thighs vertically, and bend the head and spine backward as far as comfortable, and hold here for the few seconds with the normal breath. Now slowly exhale, release your position, bring your both hands forward and with the exhalation down. Sit in Vajrasana. Deep inhale and exhale. After completing Uttanasana, do Shashankasana for the relaxation and counter pose. So raise your arms up. Exhale, bend forward. Place your palm, your forehead on the mat and relax here for the few seconds. Deep inhale and exhale in this posture. Relax completely. This helps you to relax completely. Now slowly raise your arms up, your upper body up, and exhale, release your position. Today we are going to do Bhramari Pranayam. The Bhramari is derived from Bhramra, which means black bee. During the practice of this pranayam, the sound produced resembles the buzz of a black bee. So please avoid the practice in case of nose and ear infection. Now sit in any comfortable pose. Close your ear with your index finger. And now you have to inhale, and when you exhale, you have to create a sound of humming bee. Now close your eyes, inhale and exhale, create a sound of humming bee. Again, inhale. Inhale. Deep inhale and exhale. Inhale. Again, inhale and exhale. Continue this practice 5 to 8 rounds. Deep inhale and exhale. Create a sound of humming bee. The practice of Bhramari relieves stress and help in elevating anxiety, anger and hyperactivity. It is a great technique for management of stress related disorders. It is useful for concentration and meditation. Continue deep inhale and exhale. Create a sound of humming bee. Complete your round. After completing your 5 to 8 round, sit in Gyan Mudra. Now rub your palm gently. Place it over your eye on your face.